For this exercise, you'll have to download this PSD file from your resource section with the name photo-frames.psd. This file has got 3 layers and you'll have to click on the layer to select. So if you select this layer, you can take the move tool from here and move this image, and the task you have in this exercise is to fit this image to this frame. And what you can use is, say, Control T to this, and you can make it smaller and bigger and use Control key on the keyboard like this. So to fit this image into this frame, I would say Control and T and then use Control on the keyboard and align my handles like this. So you have to do this properly by using Control T and use Control key on the keyboard and fit this image into the portrait frame and this one image into this landscape. Again, same thing, you have to go to this layer and say Control and T and use Control, or you can first transform this to manage the size and then hold on Control on the keyboard and just match these handles, something like this, and nicely fit these 2 images into these layers. If you want, you can use the zoom tool, click to zoom and hold on Alt to zoom out.